Hello, welcome back to part 5. We already started with a quick recap to our module. First of all, 1, 2, 4 has been covered. If you are interested, you can just go through them. The course outline fundamentals. We started with data structure, and later on we will do remoting, AD exchange, and in SQL. And again, a quick recap, module 5, it's all about writing and formatting the output. Okay, so let's jump into the part where we had to stop, and that was using replacing and joining operators. Replace and join operators. There's also the replace and join operator to manipulate strings in PowerShell. If PowerShell does not provide an operator for a certain operation, check out the string class method where you say double quote pipe get member. Performance. There are many different ways where you can concatenating strings. The performance can be very different. Again, you can do run join strings, PS1, and you can see the operators and the string associated with them. Again, I have a lab for you where you can play and get command and view process split messaging and measure the object average. And you can see there, if you want to read all the unique uptime from event logs, then you can store it in event ID as well as run it. The last part for our course is we do about default formatting. Windows PowerShell first uses built-in XML to display specification or specified format objects. The default view is not specified in XML display. Windows PowerShell will look at the number of properties to be displayed. The view defined in XML, yes or no, what does the default formatter says, what does it specify, use these properties, use all properties, 5 or more, and then format list, format table, format wide. Let's have a look at this in more details. How does PowerShell translate the object into text? Unlike the commands used in traditional shell, Windows PowerShell commands do not emit text directly. Commands emit one or more object. The shell format this object as a text, giving the illusion of commands that email text. Command object Windows PowerShell, then you get text. Also, you can customize and save the text file for a new event .format ps1 that will format it based on the formatter.format ps1. You can see the demo how to create a new formatter for event class, and you can see I've got some links for us here you can utilize to be able to format it. Okay, the last part is custom object and formats. Again, I've got more tools for us to be uploaded, and then you can practice on them. Custom formatter can also be applied on custom object if they have name. Using script block, you got two properties which can combine into one column. And that's all what I had for you for today. That was part 5. Let's quickly recap what we have learned so far. We started with module 5. It was about writing and formatting output. Now with formatting, we had a few options: format star command, out star command, write star command, and then string formatting. And then we spoke about shell, string types, format operator, string manipulation, and then the last part was default formatter. Then we moved on to format commands. We spoke about the 4 types, the format table, format list, format custom or wide. Then the dynamic formatting, then pipeline.